Not only are the benefits of observing the 10th day absolutely limitless, but for concentrating on the various practices of gathering merit and making prayers, these occasions are praised as extraordinarily special. As the Lama Sangdu explains, on the 10th day of the monkey month in the monkey year, and on every 10th day, my emanations spread out to fill the world, granting siddhis ordinary and supreme. If you spend this human life accomplishing the Lama, when your lifetime reaches its end, you will melt into my Orgyen's heart, and Ratna Lingpa's terma instruction says, at sunrise on each 10th day of the month, if anyone remembers me, they and I will be inseparable. King of Tibet, ministers, disciples who are like my children, on the 10th day of every month. To you I will come in person, and this I swear. Padmasambhava is not one to deceive others.